Hello dears, today I am going to start speaking section related question. I start from here, part 1. Part 1 divided into two sections, your country, food. Let's start. Do most people live in houses or apartments in your country? As India has number of big cities and most of cities are quite small from other country. That is why there most of people live in houses, as India's largest population live in villages and small towns. Apartments are popular in big cities and metro cities. That is why most of people live in houses instead of apartments in my country. Next, what do people usually do in their free time in your country? Most of people doing or pursuing their hobbies while they are dancing, music, or playing musical instruments, yoga, gym, reading, sleeping, and many more. Next, what do you enjoy most about living in your country? As India is known for their weather and their natural surrounding, I also love to my historical monuments and natural surrounding, religious places, as well as their pleasant weather. Next, would you say that your country is a good place to visit? Why? As India is known for the historical buildings and architecture design, India has richest history in the world. I find that it is good to learn about ancestor and historical things. That is why I want to invited people to visit in my country. Next, what is your favorite meal? My favorite meal is dinner, as we all are working and we do breakfast and lunch according to our own time schedule and different places in our workplace. While we have dinner together in the evening, we get few minutes to spend with each other. That is why I like dinner. Do you prefer to eat out or eat at home? Why? Well, I like both. Most of the time I like eat at home, but sometime I need break from my daily routine, then I prefer eat out. Next, are there any traditional meals that you would recommend? Why? As India is a diverse country, all states have their own traditional and local meals. I want to try Rajasthani thali in their lunch. It is well nutrient and its decoration is also good, and it is really healthy for everyone, as it has vegetables, pulse, and rice, wheat, and most of healthy spices and foods. How have people eating habits changed in your country? Well, as day by day our surrounding is changing, due to advancement of technology and most of things upgraded from earlier days. Eating habit also changed because of work, as most of working people like fast food because it is quite affordable as well as convenient. They do not waste their time to making food. They like junk food. To card part 2, describe a television program that you watch. You should say which kind of television program it is, what usually happen in this television program, why you enjoy watching the television program, and explain why you would recommend the television program to other people. Well, television programs are very popular in my country. They are available in number of variety like comedian, family serial, or love story based programs, and some are live or real competition shows. Well, here I would like to talk about a program which I find is good for everyone and it should be watched by anyone any age because it is comedian show. Laugh is key of healthy and wealthy body. That is why I recommend this comedian show, the Kapil Sharma show. It is quite interesting show. In this program, host invited a guest from Bollywood or another famous personality to provide overview about their life and how they get success, about their personal life as well as professional life. Automatically, it's become interesting for everyone as most of people admiring famous personality as their mentor or role model. It provides time to know about their famous personality and their lifestyle. That is why most of people like this show, and as it is comedian show, that is why many patients and many doctors observe that because of his show many patients recover from their severe disease. Fascinated toward this show because of laughing therapy. I completely lost my worries and tension behind its funny talk. I like this show. I like their host and their team member. I always appreciate their shows through mails and through Facebook post. I recommend to my friends and family member as it is really well show in this world, as most of people worried because of their own personal and professional problems, but due to these type of show people forget their worries and tension. They become happy for a few minutes, but it is helpful for their healthy and wealthy body. Okay, thank you. Next, part 3, the role of advertising on television and the effect of films on society. How do you feel about the amount of advertising on television? As advertisement is a source of information and knowledge, it is really helpful to selecting desirable products and goods. But sometimes it's retelecasting and it takes huge time from their precious times. That is why it's become a problem. In what ways has television advertising changed in the last 10 years? Due to advancement of technology, television advertising also changed, as now most of advertising animation based, and they make cartoon to attract more and more customer, as well as they play background music to attract music lover and many more new things. They wants to attract a lot of customer from their advertisement. Next, to what extent are people influenced by the advertising they see on television? It's really effective to increase sales and to increase profit, as advertising helps us to know about new things, new models in the market. That is why somewhere it affect on customer mind, and they like to consume new products, and their faith also increase in some particular telecasted advertisements. Next, why do people still enjoy going to the cinema to watch a film? Well, watching movies in the cinema, it is really different from watching in television, as because of their public and because of sound and surrounding enhance the interest toward movies, and it is really helpful to relax and to concentrate on a particular film. Next, what sort of influence can films have on people? Well, its effect on people by negatively and as well as positively, as because of movies people learn about different things, as well as they also become a reason of harassment in many cases because of their filmy lifestyle, stunt, and many more things. Next, should filmmakers be responsible for the impact their film can be on people? Yes, of course, as filmmaker make their film or their program to attract customer. It's depend on a maker, they how they attract and how they set a image of particular product or particular program on viewer. That is why I feel that filmmaker be responsible for their effect on people. Okay, thank you.